Today I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of buying stocks using the Zerdo Arcade app. Start by opening the app and logging in with your credentials. You'll arrive at the dashboard showing your portfolio and market data. Tap on the search bar at the top and enter the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy. Select the stock from the search results to view its market details. For frequent trades or tracking, add the stock to your watch list by tapping the Add button. Now click on the stock and hit the Buy button. You can also view its performance just by scrolling down. Set the quantity of shares you want to purchase and select the order type, market limit or stop loss. You can also choose intraday or delivery based on your investment strategy. Double check the details and tap Buy again to confirm your order. You'll receive a notification once your order is executed. You can use limit orders to avoid unexpected price changes, especially during market volatility, allowing you to buy at a specific price. A stop loss order is a buy or sell order placed to limit the losses when you fear that prices may move against your trade. Enable two-factor authentication for enhanced account security and monitor your buying power to avoid rejected orders due to insufficient funds. You can use Zerdo Varsity for free educational resources on stock trading. The Zerdo console lets you analyze your portfolio performance post-purchase. Start with small investments in low-risk stocks to get accustomed to the app, and stay updated with market trends using Kite's built-in market analysis tools.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.